Want your home to feel smarter, cleaner, and way easier to manage? These Amazon Home gadgets are designed to handle everything from organizing to cleaning to everyday convenience. They simplify routines, cut down effort, and make your space work for you. All the gadgets featured are linked in the description below. Your bedside table just got a serious upgrade. This smart table lamp combines soft lighting, a Bluetooth speaker, and a wireless charging pad all in one clean setup. You can switch between warm light for winding down or colorful glow modes that match your music or mood. Just place your phone on top and it charges while you relax. With built-in sound, a time display, and an alarm, you get light, music, and convenience without extra clutter. Laundry day finally meets the future. This smart folding machine takes clean clothes and turns them into neat stacks in minutes. You simply feed items in one by one, and the robotic arms handle the folding for you. It works great for everyday pieces like shirts, towels, and pillowcases, saving you hours of boring work. You still stay involved, but now you can fold laundry while watching shows or keeping an eye on the kids. It's a dream helper for anyone tired of endless piles. Your bathroom routine just got a serious upgrade. This non-electric bidet attachment adds a refreshing rear wash using clean, adjustable water pressure. You control the flow with a simple dial, so you get exactly the comfort you want every time. The self-cleaning nozzle stays protected when not in use, keeping things hygienic without extra effort. It installs right under your toilet seat in minutes, helping you feel cleaner while using less paper every day. Ironing no longer needs a whole room. This compact folding tabletop ironing board gives you a full, sturdy surface without the bulky setup. It folds down neatly and even includes a built-in spot to safely rest your iron when you're done. You can mount it on a wall or door, keeping everything off the floor and easy to grab. It's perfect when you want quick, wrinkle-free clothes without dragging out a full-size board. Clean floors without the awkward shoe shuffle. This smart shoe cover dispenser wraps your shoes in a protective cover in seconds. You simply step in, and the machine does the work without bending or using your hands. It keeps dirt outside while letting you keep your own shoes on. Perfect for homes, offices, or clean spaces where hygiene matters. It makes every entry faster, cleaner, and more comfortable for everyone. Fresh greens without a backyard? Yes, please. This indoor hydroponic garden lets you grow herbs and vegetables right on your countertop using water instead of soil. You just add seeds, water, and nutrients, and the built-in light handles the rest. The LED grow light mimics sunlight, helping plants grow faster and healthier indoors. With multiple growing pods and a clear water window, you always know what's happening, making home gardening feel simple, clean, and surprisingly fun. Family schedules don't have to live on scraps of paper anymore. This smart wall calendar puts everyone's plans, chores, and reminders on one clear touchscreen. You can color code events, add tasks, and update everything right on the display or from your phone. Hang it on the wall or set it on a counter so it's always easy to see. It turns busy days into simple routines by keeping the whole household on the same page. Cooking just got a hands-free upgrade. This automatic pan stirrer keeps your soups, sauces, and gravies moving without you lifting a spoon. Just place it in the pot, press a button, and it rotates on its own with adjustable speeds. The heat-resistant nylon legs are safe for non-stick cookware, and it's cordless, so you can use it anywhere in the kitchen. Perfect for multitasking while your meals cook evenly and smoothly. Keep an eye on your home without bulky cameras. This light bulb security camera screws right into a standard socket and streams 2K HD video over Wi-Fi. You get color night vision, motion, and human detection, plus real-time alerts straight to your phone. Talk to visitors or warn intruders with built-in two-way audio and alarms. With 360-degree coverage and cloud or SD storage, it's a simple, smart way to watch over your home day and night. Clutter doesn't stand a chance with this rolling drawer organizer. You can store clothes, office supplies, toys, or snacks, keeping every room neat and tidy. Made from sturdy plastic with reinforced panels, it's built to last and won't easily get damaged. Each drawer is translucent, so you can instantly see what's inside. With 4 smooth wheels and a locking system, you can move it anywhere or keep it securely in place. Say goodbye to boring ice cubes with this 2-in-1 ice tray and portable ice ball maker. You can freeze regular cubes or create perfect ice spheres for cocktails, coffee, whiskey, or juice. The sealed design keeps your ice fresh and odor-free, so it never picks up freezer smells. It's easy to clean and even dishwasher safe. Plus, the portable body lets you carry chilled drinks anywhere, turning ice making into a fun, hassle-free experience. Take out the trash without ever touching it. This smart trash can opens with a simple wave or knee bend, making disposal completely touchless. It even seals and replaces the bag automatically, so you don't have to deal with sticky hands or frequent bag changes. Voice prompts guide you through every step, and the long-lasting battery keeps it running for months. Sleek, hygienic, and effortless, it's the future of kitchen and bathroom cleanup. Hot pots no longer mean burned hands. These silicone handle covers slip over any pan or pot handle, providing a safe, heat-resistant grip. Made from durable silicone, they withstand high temperatures without deforming or breaking. The anti-skid design keeps your hands steady while cooking. Easy to install and clean, they're perfect for daily use and make your kitchen safer and more comfortable. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade. This cordless spin scrubber comes with 8 brush heads to tackle everything from tile grout to faucets, wooden floors, windows, and even your car. The adjustable handle stretches up to 4.5 feet, letting you reach high corners and tight spots without bending or kneeling. 2 speed settings give you control, and it's fully waterproof for safe cleaning. Fast charging and long battery life makes scrubbing effortless and efficient. Keep sauces, dips, and condiments right where you need them. These colorful clip-on bowl holders attach to plates and platters, freeing up space and keeping everything neat. Perfect for parties, snacks, or meals. They hold dips, guacamole, candy, or even peelings. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, they make serving effortless. Bright, practical, and fun, these little bowls turn any gathering into a cleaner, more organized experience. Hauling groceries or gear has never been easier. This foldable shopping cart glides smoothly on 4 wheels, making trips from the store or outdoor adventures effortless. Lightweight and compact, it folds down for easy storage or carrying. The sturdy design handles heavy loads without straining your back. Versatile enough for shopping, camping, or even sporting events, it's the ultimate helper for carrying just about anything. Upgrade your bathroom with this sleek, egg-shaped toilet. Its compact, one-piece design saves space while giving your bathroom a modern touch. The soft close seat prevents slamming, and the quick release feature makes cleaning a breeze. With a powerful yet efficient flush using just 1.28 gallons, it keeps things spotless without wasting water. Comfort height seating and a stain-resistant surface make it practical, stylish, and easy to maintain. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this mini 2-in-1 travel steamer and iron. Use it as a regular iron or switch to steam mode for faster, gentler results on any fabric. It heats up in just 5 seconds, so your clothes are ready almost instantly. Compact and lightweight, it fits perfectly in luggage or backpacks for travel, dorms, or home use. Ergonomic design and a large water tank make ironing effortless and convenient wherever you go. Baking just got smarter with this electric stand mixer. One-touch presets handle kneading, whisking, or stirring perfectly every time, while 11 speed settings give you full control. The fermentation function keeps dough at the ideal temperature for rising. No separate proofer needed. Its 6-quart bowl tackles big batches, and the Flex Edge beater scrapes the bowl clean for flawless mixing. Powerful, quiet, and easy to use. It makes baking effortless and fun. Bring your plants to life with this smart AI-powered flower pot. It monitors water, light, and temperature, automatically watering and caring for your plant while keeping your desk clean and dry. Multi-dimensional sensors let your plant express emotions, so you can interact with it like a little electronic companion. Customize photos, GIFs, and videos on its display for a personal touch. Fun, intelligent, and practical. It makes plant care effortless and entertaining. Unlock your locker in an instant with this fingerprint-powered smart padlock. Just touch your finger, and it opens in a fraction of a second. No keys or combos needed. You can also control it via a mobile app, or even an Apple Watch, sharing access with friends or family remotely. Built from durable alloy steel and fully weatherproof, it's strong enough for outdoor use. Long battery life and USB-C charging make it reliable and hassle-free. Bring the cosmos into your room with this Galaxy Star Projector. High-definition optical lenses project stunning stars, constellations, and planets across your walls and ceiling. Gentle LED lighting creates a calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxing, studying, or meditating. Multiple discs, rotation, and adjustable angles let you customize your own mini planetarium. Stylish, fun, and soothing, it's a perfect gift and a magical addition to any bedroom. This robot vacuum mop combo has a small mechanical claw that tries to pick up socks, slippers, and small clutter while it cleans. The claw works sometimes, but not reliably. The real highlight is its advanced navigation. It avoids furniture, cords, and toys with near-perfect precision, even under low clearance areas. A large dock handles both wet and dry cleaning, making it one of the smartest cleaners out there. This touchscreen toaster makes breakfast a breeze. Simply tap to select your bread type and shade, and the digital timer shows exactly when it's done. It handles bagels, frozen bread, and even custom settings for every slice. The sound alerts keep you in the loop, or you can mute them if you like quiet mornings. Plus, the removable crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.